Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Patshala. My name is Manenda Tawar and today we will see how we can install and configure Terraform for cloud services. So you must have heard or seen people are using Terraform to deploy any services in cloud. So how Terraforms making their life easy, or we can say what are the advantages of Terraform. Suppose we have to create 5 or 10 resources in one go using the same configuration, we can use Terraform, and this is one time job to write a code for that, and we can use the same code again and again in future to deploy the resources. So definitely it's not easy for beginners to understand, but yes, they can learn and understand how to use Terraform to deploy any services. In this video, we will see how we can connect our AWS account with Terraform to perform any operation. So there are three things required to configure Terraform. First, we need an IAM account with required permissions. Second, we need a coding tool where we can use Terraform. And third, our access key and secret key to connect our AWS account with Terraform. So let's see in this video how we can do that. As I said, we need a code writer tool to use the Terraform. Here I'll use Visual Code Studio. You can download it from the site. I'll mention the site in description. Here you have to install the Visual Studio Code first. Now you have to install the extension for Terraform. Now you have to look for AWS Toolkit, write AWS in the search bar. Here you will get the AWS Toolkit. Install the AWS Toolkit. It will help us to connect with our AWS account. Once it is installed, you will get the option on left side for AWS. Here you can connect your account, but to connect an account, as I said, we need a IAM account or access key and secret key so we can connect our account with Visual Studio Code. Let's go into IAM and create a user. Let's go into next. So if you have an existing group, you can add this user in existing group, or if you want to copy permission from another user, you can copy it. Here we will attach a policy on this. You can give the administrator access where he can perform anything, or you want to specify any rights like EC2 creation and all, or let's see the roles EC2, and you can give the full access of EC2 if you want this user to create EC2 only, or EC2 creation, deletion, modification. He can do anything with Amazon EC2 full access. If you want to give Amazon administrator access, it's up to you. Let's go to next. So our user has been created. Let's go into the user. We need the security credential for same. Here I am creating the access key. So our access key is ready. You can download the CSV file, or I can see the values here. So first of all, you have to install the Terraform in your system. So these are the installation method to install. So I'll use Homebrew, where you have to install first brew. Let's open the terminal. Just paste the command here. It will install the brew commands. Now Terraform has been installed in our system. We have to connect our AWS account with Terraform. how we can do that. Let's see. Go to the view section, command palette, create AWS profile. The tile name is Terraform 2. Now we have to use our access key and secret access key. Once you enter all the details, our AWS account will be connected. Okay, once it is connected, we can create a file with the name of provider.tf, where we will define who is the provider. Okay, provider is AWS. Then we have to define the region details. Region is, you can find out the region here is AP South 1. Okay, AP South 1. After that, you have to provide the access key. Now the next thing is secret key. Okay, now we are ready with all the details. Our AWS account has been integrated with this. Now the second file we can create, or we can test, like if we want to create any VM. So we can define here, resource will be AWS instance. Okay, and the name will be web server. Now the next thing is our AMI ID. You can copy it from AWS console. Here you can see the AMIs, and whatever AMIs you want to use, you can copy the AMI ID and use it. Suppose I want to use this Microsoft image. You can copy the AMI ID and paste it in your code. Now the next thing is instance type we have to give. So we'll use, suppose G2 micro. Now the next is tag, which you have to define the name. That will be web tag. Okay, you have to use Terraform init command first. It will download all the dependencies. Okay, this is done. Now you can use the second file. You can see the plan of your code, what you have written, what will be the output. You can see here. So this will be our output, AMI1. The rest you are seeing non after apply, non after apply. Whatever parameters we have given, it will take these parameters. Rest of the things, security groups, VPC, it will take default. So this is the testing of our script, and if you want to apply it, you can apply Terraform apply. Before applying, I'll show you the EC2 dashboard. There is no EC2 here. Once you apply it, it will give you the output, and this is for the confirmation. You have to accept it. Just type yes and enter. Here you can see AWS instance web server. It is in creating state. Every 10 seconds you will get an update. Okay, you can see the output. Apply complete, resource 1 added. Let's go into the console, refresh it, and you can see our VM has been created. So similarly, you can use Terraform to create any resource in your console. That's all for today's video. We'll connect in next video where we will discuss further on Terraform, how we can create a resource using Terraform. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update or a video. See you guys. Thank you.